Now, Supreme Court has adjourned until 2:30 this afternoon to allow parties review a recommendation by the Law Society of Kenya for the dispute to be resolved through mediation. The court will hear whether the parties have agreed to mediate. They're currently meeting at the Chief Justice's chambers. Earlier, the chamber was treated to arguments by senior judges on how best the situation at the Supreme Court should be handled. Here is part of this morning's session.
Other than other issues that have been raised.
What do you mean the small court?
In terms of numerically small, like the Trinity is a small thing, three persons in the Trinity, but it created the universe. I accept the lesson to the English language, my lord. So, and then now, in light of that, I think the law is seeming inadequate to resolve this matter, and it might be in the best interest of justice to have this matter resolved outside a situation whereby your lordships are forced to sit in judgment over your peers. And the only thing I will associate myself with the Land Council Mwite, Senior Council Mwite, and say that I'll be willing to support the proposal for mediation if they take on board the following 4 issues. My first issue would be that all appeals from the decision of the Court of Appeal are withdrawn. Number 2, Justice Tunoi be given ample time to clear with the tribunal so that the grave allegations against him get to be understood one way or the other by the public.
Well, most of the people here were still at the high school. Yeah. Thank you. I was heading the African community when they were still at the high school.
Thank you. Before I say more, you can continue, but we'd like all advocates, counsel who are here, because of there are 2 matters and sometimes we may miss out. So if anybody wishes to say something after Dr. Haminwa, then they should inform us. We may leave you by mistake. Yeah.
My Lord, may I say something? I'm most grateful to your lordships. My Lord, the matter before you goes beyond Justice Rawal and Justice Tunoi. It is a matter that is of considerable public importance. A decision would affect about 40 other judges who are not before this court at all. So the mediation that is being proposed, may I say with tremendous respect, it will be a complete waste of time. It will not go very far at all. There is the issue of whether a judge should retire at the age of 70 or whether a judge should retire at the age of 74. That has to be resolved by this court. This court has the power and authority. It is properly constituted to be able to resolve the issues. But I've taken the trouble to look at the law, and the law seems to support me. I would respectfully refer your lordship to Article 259 that relates to interpretation of the Constitution, and we cannot afford to ignore this particular provision at all.